So I've put on the COVID 15,
15.
so I'm a little chubby.
Oh.
But I like to call myself hard to kidnap rather than chubby. I mean, I would be really hard to kidnap, Chloe.
Yes, you would.
Can you imagine? And plus, my wife wouldn't pay anything to get me back, so I'd be worthless. Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video blog. I'm Brian, and here I want to talk to you today about drone video and photography. It's something that we've done here for quite some time at Michigan Creative, and we have another unmanned aircraft certified licensed pilot, and Chloe has just received that over the last couple weeks. And drone photography can be used for multiple things. I think it's great to have a drone to really show the progress of a construction project or somewhere that something that you're building over time, because you get that nice overhead view. It's also great for that really high up overhead view of your entire property or your business or your city. Love those photographs, and you can blow those up and hang them on the wall. You know, the best thing that I really like about drones, and we kind of think of drones as only way high up and sometimes only outside. But what drone gives us is that ability to do really creative and unique shots and different angles that you just can't get with a video camera. And really having that drone footage really makes the difference in some of those brand anthem videos, for process videos. And it's really easy and it's relatively affordable to add that drone piece to your video. And so we've ordered a couple new drones, and so we have the latest technology. And Chloe is a certified pilot, and we have another one here at Michigan Creative as well. And so drone is not new. A lot of us are used to seeing the drones in the air now too, but I think it really adds to your project. So you know, we can do just drone footage of some projects that you have, and we've done that of construction sites. But we can also add that piece in, even if it's indoors. You know, sometimes in the factories that we go in, having that drone fly down over top of some of the machinery, or having it, you know, go down some of the alleys that you have, really adds that extra special cool factor. And you know, us here at Michigan Creative, we're all about that cool factor, although most of my staff would say that I am not part of that cool factor anymore, but that's okay. So if you need some drone photos or drone video, get a hold of us here and talk to Chloe at Michigan Creative, and we'll see you on the next blog.